Hey, in this video I teach you how to download sounds with your mobile data. We are going to go the sound application eSound, touch here, and from there what we are going to do is select an artist. In my case, I select Don Omar or J Balvin and like this song. Add your favorites. Okay, we are going to give a like to that song that we want, and then we are going to go to where it says we are going to go to the library. In here, we can see saved song, and this song we can listen. Do this with you spending data and Wi-Fi. It's very quick and easy, and don't forget to subscribe in this video for more videos with this.